Hey there, carpet cleaning champions. Are you ready to turn your website into a lean, mean, lead generating machine? Well, you're in luck. In today's high energy video, we'll uncover the best conversion optimization hacks for your carpet cleaning business. Oh, and do stick around until the end of the video where I will let you know how you can access a free course that will help you grow your carpet cleaning business. So let's dive in and learn how to transform your website visitors into loyal paying customers. Part 1, effective call to actions. First on our list is mastering the art of call to actions, or CTAs. These powerful little phrases can make a huge impact on your conversions. Here's how to create irresistible call to actions. Number 1, be clear and specific. Use action-orientated language that clearly communicates what you want your visitors to do. Create urgency. Use time-sensitive language like book now or limited time offer to encourage immediate action. Make it stand out. Use contrasting colors, bold fonts, and strategic placements to ensure that your call to actions are easily visible. Test and optimize. Regularly test different call to action designs, placements, and wording to find the perfect combination for your audience. Part 2, persuasive copywriting. Next up, let's talk about persuasive copywriting. Here's how to write compelling website copy that converts. Addressing pain points. Clearly communicate how your carpet cleaning services solve your customers' problems. Showcase benefits. Highlight the benefits of your services, such as improved appearance, increased longevity, and a healthier home environment. Build trust. Include customer testimonials, certifications, and awards to establish credibility and trust. Keep it simple. Use clear, concise language that's easy to understand and avoid industry jargon. Part 3, smart web design. Now, let's discuss smart web design strategies to boost engagement and drive bookings. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile friendly to provide a seamless browsing experience for visitors on any device. Easy navigation. Organize your website with a clear menu structure and intuitive layout to help visitors find what they're looking for quickly. Fast loading times. Optimize your website's performance by compressing images using browser caching and minimizing the use of plugins. Eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality images, engaging videos, and clean design elements to create a visually appealing website. Part 4, tracking and analyzing. Finally, it's crucial to track and analyze your website's performance to continuously improve your conversion rates. Here's how. Google Analytics. Set up Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Heat maps. Use heat map tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg to visualize how users interact with your website and identify areas for improvement. A/B testing. Test different website elements such as headlines, images, call to action buttons to determine what works best for your audience. Learn from your competitors. Analyze your competitors' websites to identify potential conversion optimization opportunities. And that's a wrap. By implementing these conversion optimization hacks, you'll be well on your way to turning more website visitors into loyal paying customers. So go ahead and watch your digital marketing ROI soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to our channel for more carpet cleaning tips and digital marketing insights. If you'd like to get access to my free course that will help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, just leave your email in the comments and I will follow up with a link to the free course. Until next time, happy carpet cleaning and happy website conversions. Cheers.